Hi guys, it's the Brilliant Garager 724. We're back with another video today. And today we're going to be doing MyQ Focus A365. It's a new garage door. There it goes. Let's close it. There we go. So, and this is the house garage door. It's that garage door right there. Right there. So to hold this in right here, I'm just using a little thing because I can't find any other thing that would hold it in. This took me like 2 hours to set this thing up. It was cause this chain is broken. And the wire was also broken, so I couldn't use that chain, and it was rusty. This chain's way easier. So I'm using the 8550 wall button, but it still works. I might put this on my mini door in the future. And then here's that stuff. And then let's go ahead and so one feature that you guys probably did not know, if you go on menu and then do this, press custom, you can make it you can make it 1 minute, you can make it as many minutes as you want. So yeah. And then here are the sensors, the keypad. There was also a remote for it over there that came with it. So everything here was free except for the keypad. So the garage door was free. I got at the garage door place, just laying around. This was free. These two things were free. This chain and rail and this rocket was free. Everything was free, even the remote. So yeah, that was nice. I've always wondered, could this? No way. And so I do get notifications on my phone. But I did get an error. Let's open that real quick. Will that open? This thing does get hot really fast. So nope, it's not the motor. Well, let's go ahead and run it out. use the keypad to run it down. The code is, this is not the garage door. That's just a random garage door. So 1, 2, 3, 0. There we go. Everything was free, except for the keypad. Even the stick was free. Even this was free. Everything on the garage door, touching it, is free. So like this, the chain, garage door opener, the wall button, this. I'm using safety sensor wire to power this. But I don't really know why. Let's do it. Face reveal, maybe at 500 subs. It's a maybe for a face reveal at 500 subs. Guess let's run it down, that's it. That's it. See you guys later and bye.